Back to my channel again. And today, pupunta pala kami sa event ni parang Jess Vlog, no? Pupuntahan na kami. And yung kasama ko si Tita Yanti tsaka si Inday. Kasi si Mrs. may trabaho. So ayan.
Colin! Hey, Matt. Colin!
Yan, tignan natin doon mga par kung sino yung mamimit natin. Marami tayong mamimit doon mga kababayan natin. Alright.
What side are you gonna sit
So,
on?
biyahe muna kami.
Where are you sitting? Middle?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll put my hat.
So hot out
Buckle
here.
up, chickie.
Kapilap Inday. This is your sunglasses.
So what do you think of this little Nissan? Not too bad, huh?
Yeah. Those spacers dito.
In 400 meters, slide right.
Dapat in winter tita, this like
It should be good because most cars now have built-in like traction, so they can feel when the road is slippery, and they'll go into they'll put on the anti-lock and traction control.
Keep straight to stay on Raoul Wallenberg Road.
What did they say? Summer
Yeah.
camp?
air bell spa.
Is there a summer camp here?
Continue straight to stay on Raoul Wallenberg Road.
They're camping.
Oh, let's see if we can find. Have we been here before?
No, I don't.
Sharp left toward Raoul Wallenberg Road, then slide right onto Raoul Wallenberg Road.
Okay, now we have to try to find a parking space, people.
Yeah. Ayun mga par, dito na kami. Hanapin natin yung sila Inday.
Meet and greet?
Yeah, hanapin natin. Kasi hindi ko alam kung nasaan sila naka ano eh.
Mapwestuhan tayo kasi kanya-kanya sila setup dito yung mga ano.
Right.
Yeah.
12:30 mga par. Takto alas 12 yung start. Mga ganun lang kami rito. Tatapay kasi may lakad din kami mamaya. So this ano, nakapag ano tayo ni parang Jess kasi ilang beses na ito nagyaya din sa atin. Shoutout pala kay Kuya JDL, no? What is that? Nay? Sword?
All right.
Go tita.
Is this it, Jason? Right here?
Yeah, this one tita, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, this group. Oh, dito pala sila mga paro.
Oh, I smell barbecue.
Yan. Ito hanapin si Parin Jess dito. Contact natin dito si Parin Jess mga par, yung mismong nag-organize nito, no? Ayan. Buti hindi mahirap hanapin.
Okay. Let's go meet some people. I'll go to that.
Ang daming ano dito. Camping. Iba't ibang grupo, no? Ay, Parang Jess.
Kasi sa ano,
Par!
Saan mo sa?
Dito nakarating.
Nakatawag mo sa akin?
Ay, hindi. Madali lang naman hanapin eh. Diyan na kami nagparaan.
parang Joyce.
Alam ko?
Sino si
Harder.
Get it. Okay, get some. It's more bubble juice. Here, I'll show you. Ready? Ready? Harder. There you go.
Wow! Nice.
What do you think? Catch it.
Yan, dito na kami mga par. Ito yung setup nila. Busy pa. Parang Jess, no? Pang DG. Yan din ano mga par, ibang grupo naman din. Ito ibang grupo rin to. Yeah. Teka lang. Ito pa nga tayo. Ano, si Rizal din tayo. See?
Oh yeah, he's born in June too.
June 2? Yeah. So yun. Dr. Jose Rizal. Yeah. So, may statue siya rito mga par. Tay, take a picture.
Go up by the.
Picture in here.
He'll be back. Don't worry.
Yeah. Oh. National Historical Commission.
Yeah. Poet, physician, poet, writer, educator,
Mhm.
linguist, inventor. That's what you call a Renaissance man, a man who could do everything. Probably played some musical instruments too.
To the Proclamation of Philippine Independence, 1898. Yeah.
Where's the ice cream truck?
Huh? Where?
He comes around this way. I bet you he will.
Yeah. Over there in the ice cream truck.
Bro!
See, I told you he's gonna come around.
Bayo si Rizal. So yun. Salanan.
Let's see where he stops him.
Ice cream, ice cream. Hanap namin tong ice cream, paikot-ikot to eh. Kaya pala, meron palang ano rito. Next time mga par, ikutin natin to gamit ang ating scooter. Ikutin din, mukhang malawak din to. Ikot-ikot tayo rito. Right, bili mo na kaming ice cream. Ice cream truck oh. Sarap. Ay, sarap na ice cream. Laki pa oh. Right? You want to try? Hmm?
I want Belinda and chocolate drink. I want
Okay. Thank you, tita. Yeah.
You can go sit over there in the shade.
Yeah. Ah. Oh, wow. So, ito pala. Ayan.
I can steal your body. No, I said you can't. I want to go over more things. Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Kitang-kita mo yung view dito mga part na ano.
Banana.
Ito pala yung sa ano. View pag winter.
Every time. I'm going down there. 2 more water bottles. Yes, cool. Ellie, can I have it? Ellie, can I have it?
Rito na. Isa na yung program. Okay. Ito yung set ng ano. Oranges Vlog. Okay. Pila tayo. Ayan pa.
So you don't have to line up until there.
This is sa wrist to, kuya.
Opo, and then ito po, pilapan nyo po, keep, and then drop this off to the
Okay.
for the raffle later.
Okay, tuloy.
Thank you po.
Yeah.
Right there, wristband, and then you can line up for the food.
Alright. Thank you. Oh, itong pila mga par. Buti nakapila na kami. Nakalahati na kami. Haba na, hanggang likod na yung pila. Ang pila mga par, hanggang likod na, di ba? Yeah. Yes, nakaano na tayo. Dito yung pila sa pagkain. Eh, nagbibigay sila ng ganito. Para makakuha ka ng pagkain. Ay, okay. Yeah. Sorry. No, it's okay. Okay, plato na kami mga par. Let's go! Kain na lang.
tita, you don't want?
I already got some.
I see lesser
Anak ko lumpia. Okay.
Then I want that.
Opo, ayun na po.
More?
Thank you po. Yeah.
More fish?
Yeah. Different sisig.
You can bring your plate closer.
Oh.
Oh, you
Yeah, it's okay. Just I can eat it in there. Yeah. And then move in just move.
I just ate a lumpia. It was very good.
Yeah. What do you want, tita? Tita, ubi or ubi?
I need another plate.
Well, this one I will.
So,
The cake in the after.
what do you want?
Yeah.
Oku pie? Oh, you want? Oh, they have leche flan?
You want the ubi? Yan, ubi. Oh, thank you po.
You want leche flan? The menudo is very good.
Oh,
I just ate a bite. Oh, where's the
Oh, this one?
leche flan?
this one?
Leche
Ito po.
flan.
Ay, pwede po dito?
Oh, yeah, super.
Ano na tayo dito, Inday? Tayong tatlo na. Okay. Tubig, Inday. Water. Thank you. Oh, you want tataho? What? Ayan. Sige po.
What is it?
Yeah.
I'll have a taco.
Alright.
Okay, is there a seat? Where
Thank
are
you.
We need a seat. We need a seat.
Ayan, dami naman pa. Hindi,
No.
doon tayo sa car. Let's go inside the car, tita.
Alright, now, I saw there was a bag of plastic bags over here. Or do you think we can manage this on our ride? I do have another plate.
Yeah, we can manage this one dito.
This taco tastes like the classic.
Good? Sit there.
There's boba in it.
Huh? Tapioca, tita. Oh, let's go here. Ayun mga par, walking pala tayo. Good morning, dito tayo sa labas mga par. So hindi ko pala nagawa ng ending video yung yung vlog natin doon kay paring Jess, no. So yun, successful yung event niya, no. Yung meet and eat yung kay paring Jess vlog. So maraming salamat. So pasensya ka na paring Jess kasi hindi na kami nagstay dahil yun nga may lakad din kami. And ayun, nagpakita lang ako doon kay Paring Jess, no, para suporta na rin doon sa kanyang events, no, dahil ilang beses niya tayong niyaya, no, nung mga nakaraan dito nakapunta. Pero yun, nagkaroon tayo ng time, no. And ayun nga, naisingit natin yung pagpunta doon sa at yun mga par, nabusog kami, no. Dami pagkain. Paring Jess, maraming salamat, no. Sana may kasunod pa yan. No, alam ko na yun meet and eat 2 mga par, no. So malamang sunod-sunod na yan. So next year baka mayroon pa, no. So So sana makapunta rin tayo next year mga par. So yun, maraming salamat. So gusto naman nating mag-stay mga par, no? At pakipagkwentuhan doon sa mga iba nating kababayan, but nandito kasi yung si Tita Yanti mga par, no? Yun nga, kailangan naming enjoyin din yung ano mga par, no? Na nandito siya dahil yun, 3 araw lang po siya magstay, no? Dahil lang sa birthday ni Inday, no? Ni Heaven. Kaya yung kailangan namin mag-bonding, no? Then yun, maraming salamat kay Parang Jess, no? And shout out kay Parang Jess Vlog. Maraming salamat. So siguro mga par, dito ko muna tatapusin ang aking vlog. God will the glory, and we'll see you on my next one. Bye!